Hello all, Spontaneous Creations. What I got in front of you is a 12 by 12 canvas, another 3D printed cup. This one I am going to use coral reef, beach retreat, bumblebee yellow, and ocean teal blue. About out of the ocean teal. Anyway, these are Parage Posse paints. They're made by Christina Welsh. Parage Posse Facebook group or Christina Welsh Art on YouTube's, and you'll find some information about how to get those paints. These are really good paints. She sends them pre-mixed, or you can buy just jars of pigment. They're really handy to have. Okay, so on this one, I'm just going to do a straight pour. I don't know if I've ever actually tried just a straight pour, but that's what I'm going to do. So in my chambers, I have decided that this the last of the ocean teal blue is going to go into this chamber. Hopefully I have enough of it. Well, that's that. And in the back chamber, I decided the coral reef. And I'm going to do the yellow, bumblebee yellow. And in the front, we're doing the beach retreat shimmer. I did not measure how much paint goes in this one. Guessing about 9 ounces though. Yeah, 9 ounces, that's about, I'd say that's right. Okay, so, but I am going to put a puddle of white down in the center first. There. And I'm going to do a straight pour, so it's just going to go, not going to be swirling it or nothing. We're going to try it just all that beach retreat went to one side. Oh, that's a little bit too much there, maybe. Coming out kind of. Like not like how I want it to come out. That's probably enough paint though. I'm gonna guess that's enough paint. But of course, even though it's enough paint, I'm gonna put more paint on there. Just that much though. Let's see what happens with the torching of it. Not a whole heck of a lot. Did pop some bubbles. Give it a second, let this white meet the puddle. And then we'll spin and tilt away. See what happens. Okay. Here we go. Well, not really the effect I was looking for. See what some heat does now. Bunch of dots again. Not that I don't like what happened. I like it. It's the wrong color combination again. I got some weird color combinations that I've done. Last few of them. Those green dots really are popping in there. I don't remember putting any green in this. Did I put green in this one? Did that one, and that one, that one, and that one. There's no green. But I got a lot of green in there, so yellow and blue make green. Brilliant. Alright guys, there's another one with the 3D printed toy. I'll go wash it. Okay, sorry, apparently I forgot to record the end of this one, and then I did a whole nother painting and then looked at my videos and realized I didn't end this one. So I went and washed my cup, and it came out pretty clean. I kind of like this. I think it's probably changed since I screwed that up. Anyway, Proj Posse paints. Again, Christina Welsh makes these. Visit her YouTube channel, Christina Welsh Art, or the Facebook group Proj Posse, and you'll find out how to order these paints and such. Again, thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified for new ones. DOG out.